Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and then we have dv equals to this one. Now I need to find this integration in here. So we have the formula in here. Cosine 3x equals to 4 cosine s to the power of 3 minus 3 cosine s, because we have this one in here. So I will put this one go to the left, and we divide both sides by number 4. Now I will transform this one into this one, and now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 3x, we have 1 over 3 sine 3x. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s. And now I will put this one go in here. Now we have u multiplied by v, so that should be about s over number 4, and we have this one in here, minus we have the u multiplied by v, and now we have the integration of this one. The integration of sine 3x, we have negative 1 over 3 cosine 3x. The integration of sine s, we have negative number 3 cosine s, and I will put about c. So this one we have negative 1 over 9 cosine 3x. So negative, 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 we got positive. This is the end. Thank you for watching.